Good afternoon, I'm Gerald, this is Gavin. Gavin has my Rubik's Cube, he's lovingly messed it up for me, and I'm going to stand here and attempt to solve it before the tape runs out.
I can verify it's been messed up by two different people, and I'm just going to put the finishing touches on it now.
And I should be looking.
Okay, one more. Let's see if we can do it.
It is messed up, as you can see. Trick to doing the cube. A lot of people think you do it by surfaces. You don't. You do it by layers. And I'll start off with the white, easy to see.
In Vietnam, the combat soldier typically served a 12-month tour of duty, but was exposed to hostile fire almost every day.
So that's the first layer done, as you can see. That's 2 layers done. Then we get the top layer done, which is the most difficult.
689 soldiers.
And then we get the corners, as you can see. Almost done.
There we go. It's done.
Thank you very much.
Master of the Rubik's Cube.